Now, let's have question number 17. What is a pull factor in international migration? Is it letter A, natural disaster in the country of origin? Letter B, conflict or persecution at home? Letter C, availability of jobs in another country? Or letter D, political instability in the host country? No? So yeah, which is a pull factor, no? In international migration. All right? Alright. Sige, no? Mapapansin po natin dito, kahit halimbawa nakalimutan mo na yung pull factor, push factor, now using add one out of our strategy, we could classify our choices of negative and positive reasons why people are migrating to other countries. Natural disaster is negative. Conflict is negative. Availability of jobs is positive, while political instability is also negative. What's the proper choice? What's the best choice? It should be letter C, availability of jobs in another country. No? Ayan na nga po mga kababayan. So yes, tulad nga po ng nabanggit natin, simple lang no ang ibig sabihin, no simple lang ang gustong iparating sa atin ng push at pull factors. Ang push factors, ito yung mga negative na bagay na magtutulak sa iyo palabas sa isang bansa, no? So ang pull factor naman, no, ito po yung tipong mga dahilan mula sa ibang bansa, ito yung mga kaaya-ayang dahilan, no? Ito yung mga magagandang dahilan na hihila sa iyo na pumunta sa ibang bansa, something like that, no? So halimbawa, the push factors that Filipinos have. Sabi nga dito, coach, pati ba mga teachers, applicable din tong question number 17? Yung totoo naman ho, no? Applicable, applicable. Gawa ng halimbawa, marami po sa atin ang lumilipad na sa ibang bansa, gawa ng mahirap mabuhay dito sa Pilipinas, no? Ayan, magpapakapagod ka, magpapaka-burnout ka, pero ang sweldo mo sapat o kung minsan kulang pa, no, dun sa pangangailangan mo at ng iyong pamilya. No, there's poverty here, and then of course the political instability. No, I ask my students in college right now to analyze, no, what's the effect of the political scandals in the Philippines that we have. Kasi we have a political crisis, no? Parang ang eksena, lantaran ng pagnanakaw, nag-aaway-away ang magkakaibang aliado, no? Ano ang epekto nito? Magkakaroon talaga siya ng implication sa global scene, no? Dahil ang mga investors hindi na may engganyo mag-invest sa Pilipinas kasi nga corrupt, no, yung mga yung ating mga politiko, something like that. So push factors will push you. Ito yung mga magtutulak sa iyo palabas, no? Ito yung mga masamang bagay, poverty, fear, disasters, and unemployment. While the pull factors, these are the reasons, no, that will come from the host countries, that will come from the countries na pupuntahan mo na talaga namang makapagpapainganyo sa inyo. Ay, pagdating sa New Zealand, sa Australia, ang teacher irerespeto, napakataas ng sahod, no? There is financial safety, there's financial security, there are a lot of opportunities to grow as an individual, no? And in view of our careers, no? There's stability, payapa ang buhay, may kalayaan, something like that. So once again, push factors, this will push you to leave the country. While pull factors, these will entice you, no, to go to another country. Okay po?